What does it mean to stand for what is right?
You're asking about courage. Courage is a younger brother of truthfulness. You always find them together. You have to separate aggression from courage. Aggression is the younger brother of deceit. These two energies have been fighting with each other since the beginning of mankind. How are you going to stand up if you don't know what side you're on? And to choose a side, you need to know what that side stands for. If you don't know what that side stands for, whenever the needle will go a little bit deeper in your skin, you'll run. The aggressors are deceivers, and those who have courage are truthful. There is a true side fighting a deceiving side. It started with Adam and the devil. One was truthful, even though committed a sin, but had the courage to ask for forgiveness. And the other was a deceiver, was aggressive, didn't want it to be humble and ask for forgiveness. So he's the aggressor towards mankind from the beginning. And men of God show courage all the time. They have to fight him and at the same time be humble to God and keep seeking forgiveness. Many a cycles have passed. Many times mankind has learned to switch on the lights, and then they disappear, and then new age comes, and then that disappears, and another new age comes. Every time they touch the switch on of the electric bulb, they think we can conquer the stars. And then every time they are brought back to bread and butter. Only God knows how many times before it has happened and how many times more it will happen. But these two sides have never changed. Truthful ones show courage, and deceivers show aggression. That's what it means.